Hey y'all, it's Don here. Hi to all you do-it-yourselfers that just solve problems. Today we're going to be looking at a common issue between the Jeep and Chrysler line. It has to do with the blower. This 2008 Jeep Liberty had an issue with intermittent fan. It would just cut in, cut out randomly. Others that I've seen on the internet, it cuts out completely, even though, they've changed the blower, checked the resistors, checked, all the relays and all that jazz. Yeah, we went through that. A few bucks in the shop, and finally told us they couldn't even get the part. So, this is a common kind of control through many years and many lines of their product. So we're going to have a quick look at some solution that I found upon going to the wreckers because they don't have the part anymore for this particular Jeep, and found it was actually quite simple. So first I got to just liberate the bezel, and that's pretty easy. I've already taken it off a little bit so I can do it almost with one hand, but it's all friction fit, so you can just simply grab both sides and liberate it. Once you get it out to here, there's tabs on the electrical connections. All you have to do is press in and pull them out. One there, tab there, pull it out, and it goes down. Then all you need to do is take your screwdriver and undo these 4 bolts. And one right there. Then the whole unit comes out, and it looks exactly like that. And that's what it looks like on the back. And the cool thing that I found after I got it out, I took it inside, and all I did was take a screwdriver, because I'm a curious guy, and decided to open it up and see what the internals are. So, pretty straightforward. It's just a friction fit, no screws. You see there's these 4 little tabs, 4 little slots, I should say, on it, and another one there. Then all you have to do is just gently take your screwdriver, put it in that slot, and then just give it a light pry. Do one side first, and turn it over, do the other side, and it comes loose. Then voila, it liberates itself from each other, and you get the internal guts. And so this is the fan control side. And so this is the ground plate. You can see it covers the slides. There's 2 of them, one here, one there. And then one side's the ground, and it covers this part. And then you've got high, medium, intermediate, and low. And so that's the circuit that goes back. And in this one, what's happened is you can see that the one plate has such a tiny amount of conduction area. So all you have to do is maybe clean that up with a little bit of sandpaper, just very, very lightly. And then maybe just take a plier and just give it a little tiny tweak just so it presses harder on here, and clean this up, which I haven't done because I just put the one from the wreckers in, and it works absolutely fine. And you snap it back together, and voila. That might be the source of your anxiety. So, and then everything just goes in reverse. You can just put your 4 bolts back in, slide the bezel back in, and have a nice hot winter or cool summer. Later.